Hi, we are back again with the Southern Skeins Vintage Lane Holiday Advent, and today we are on day 14. So, here's day 14, if I can get that one open, and that is very purple. So, here is purple, and I'm going to lay it down with all the colors on my lap, and there she is. Very, very pretty. So check that out. Look at all that. Very colorful. I think it's needing some blues, I tell you. It's only got 2. But that is gorgeous. So I want you to stay tuned. We are almost toward the end of it. We're a good portion of the way through the Advent. So stay safe. Be kind to one another. And happy yarning. Bye now.